In the storage room of a great library, stacks of old books were kept on wooden shelves. Books no one had opened for years. Dust lay thick on their covers, and silence filled the place. In one quiet corner, a little squirrel had made her home. She built a small nest of leaves and threads, soft yet strong, full of care and dreams. Every piece she carried was filled with her hope. To her, that corner was the safest and happiest spot in the world. Day after day, she added to her nest. She thought nothing could ever disturb it. But one morning, heavy footsteps and the sound of shifting boxes broke the silence. The staff had begun sorting the books. One by one, the shelves were cleared to move the books upstairs. Other small creatures, startled by the noise, left at once. But this squirrel stayed. Not all the shelves will be emptied, she thought. Surely my nest will be safe. She held on to her hope, unwilling to leave the place she loved. Yet fate decided differently. Soon the workers reached her corner. They lifted the very shelf where her nest rested. She tried to resist, but there was nothing she could do. With a heavy heart, she left behind her little home. For days she wandered through the town, tired and hungry. She asked herself, "Why did life take away my safe place? What did I do wrong?" Her paws grew weary, but her spirit stayed alive. She chose to keep searching, to keep trying. And then one day she found it. A wide green park filled with tall trees and peace. In a sunny corner, gentle light touched the branches. It was perfect. With new strength, she began again. Leaf by leaf, she built another nest. This time, it was bigger, stronger, and far more beautiful than before. Sitting in her new home, she finally understood. If her old nest had not been lost, she would never have found this better place. Life is like that. Sometimes everything we care about seems to fall apart. Our work, our comfort, or even our closest ties. In those moments, we ask, why me? But often, those losses are not the end. They are the start of something new. Hard times test our strength, but if we refuse to quit, life often gives us something greater than we imagined. So when life pushes you out of your safe corner, don't give up. Keep moving. Keep building. Your next stop may be the most beautiful chapter of your life. And if you enjoyed this story, tap like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories of hope, courage, and a fresh way of seeing life.